Yep, I'm good as well. Thank you. Jessica, would you like to give me a brief introduction about yourself so that I can know you better?
Yeah. I'm Jessica David. I have recently graduated from Business of, Bachelor's of Commerce in Business Analytics.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what are your next plans?
So actually, I have applied for few universities in abroad.
Hmm.
In the meanwhile, I want to learn some tools.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. And in your graduation, what subjects were covered from analytics perspective?
Analytics like data visualization.
Mm-hmm.
We have like theoretically and practically we have covered Python,
Hmm.
SQL,
Hmm.
R, Tabula, Power BI,
You
these
covered
tools.
all those concepts,
Yeah, but not advanced.
only basics.
Yeah, basic level. And
Okay.
theoretically, we have completed, as I said, data visualization, data-driven decision making,
Hmm.
uh, and
When you say data visualization, which tools did you all use?
we
What
have
all did they teach
used
you?
actually for each sem we'll be covering
Correct.
one tool. So I have data visualization in my fifth semester.
Hmm.
I've done R, yeah R, R
So
and Power BI. Yeah.
great. So for data visualization, what level of visuals did you come across? I'm just asking these questions to
Actually,
understand where you
yeah.
stand up.
Actually, we have, as I said, we have not gone into depth.
Hmm.
Only like we used to have a question paper.
Hmm.
Osmania University, our college affiliated to Osmania University. So we
Hmm.
used to have a question paper. So my professor used to just teach us according to that questions. For this
Hmm.
question, what we need to do. That's all.
All right.
Yeah.
Fine. One more question on SQL. How much knowledge do you have?
SQL. It's also in basic level.
Hmm. So
Yeah.
basic, if I say basic, is it writing select star from a table or a little
Yeah,
more than?
table, yeah. How
Any
to create?
joins did you learn?
Sorry?
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
Hello?
Hello. Is my voice
I'm
clear?
yeah, yeah.
Yes. Did you learn about joins in SQL?
Ah, no, man.
No? Fine.
No.
All right, Jessica. So I think I have a fair understanding of what you know and what I will need to cover. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah,
So
okay.
as far as this course is concerned, I think you have an added advantage because you already have gone through the basics, right? So whenever
Yes.
I'm teaching a particular topic, you will be able to relate faster to it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because
Yeah.
you already have a touch. Okay. So with that,
Yes.
what will happen? For me, basics, I can go faster.
Mm-hmm.
When it comes to advanced concepts, we can spend some more time. Okay,
Okay.
and you'll get more time on the practicals as well. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
Fine. So first talking about the course structure.
Okay.
So I generally begin with a brief introduction on data analytics, right?
Okay.
And then I will move on to SQL concepts.
Okay.
Fine. So let
Okay.
me share my screen and I'll just give you a brief overview. Just
Actually, ma'am, I have a doubt.
yes, please.
As I have done my bachelor's in business analytics and
Mm.
I'm now learning data analytics. These both courses have used same tools.
From what you have said, I feel it is same from whatever
Okay.
list you have mentioned.
Okay.
It looks similar to me. However, the
Okay.
exposure or the learning method is going to be different. Okay. For you,
Okay.
it's if it is a semester, what happens? You have just limited time, and like
Yeah.
based upon the questions only, they will give you correct.
Mm.
But
Yeah. Yeah.
this content is covered from a real time perspective.
Okay.
Okay, even if you're
Okay.
trying to go for further education or if
Mm.
you're trying to go for a job, it will all
Okay.
be dealt with from a
Okay.
real time project perspective,
Okay.
right? So it will be
Um.
complete hands on,
Okay.
not just theory, it will be hands on as well.
Okay.
Even any data analytics situation, you should be in a position to analyze that data and
Mm-hmm.
give some insights. Okay, build some visuals, etc. Okay,
Okay.
you're basically giving analytics.
Okay.
So that's the level of training you will get. All right.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I asked this question because when I, applied for my bachelor's, I have learned that business analytics and data analytics are completely different. After, searching for these courses,
Mm,
I have learned that business analytics is nowhere to be found. Everywhere there is data analytics, and they're saying that both have the same cause and they
mm,
use same tools.
mm.
When I googled it about the difference between these two, data analytics and business analytics are quite different. That's why I was asking these questions.
Agreed.
uh, yeah, yeah.
I understand your question, but if you go back to your basics, even though you chose business analytics, you mentioned a set of tools and applications that you have learned,
Mm-hmm.
correct?
Yeah.
And on the other hand, now this course, data analytics course that you have selected,
Mm-hmm.
this also has similar tools, right?
Mm. Yeah.
However, there is nothing to be confused or you don't have to feel concerned. Why? Because data analytics, business analytics, at one point they'll have a common point.
Yeah.
How they'll have commonality. What is business? Business completely relies on some data.
Yeah.
Agreed? And
Yeah.
data in that space will not be less. It will be huge amounts of data. Okay.
Oh. Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
the first step to understand how the business is.
Mm-hmm.
What do? You have to analyze that business data. You
Yes.
have to analyze the core data, correct?
Mm.
And when you're
Yeah.
talking about analyzing that data, what does it mean? You're looking at the numbers.
Okay.
How, how and what kind of elements are
Mm.
impacting? How is the performance? Okay, whatever
Okay.
is the domain, whatever the
Mm-hmm.
domain is of the business, if it is a sales domain, how do I
Mm-hmm.
assess if the business is fine or not? What there'll be some parameters, correct? How do I
Yeah.
analyze? Sales should be good, returns should be good, profit should be
Mm-hmm.
made. How do I know
Mm-hmm.
if sales are good, profits are good? I will again go back to the data.
Yeah.
I have to study my data, I have to analyze it, and then I
Yeah.
will come to a conclusion to tell
Yeah.
whether the business is performing well or not.
Okay.
So, business analytics is a bigger terminology. Inside
Mm-hmm.
business analysis, you have data analysis, if you can imagine it like a structure.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
without data analytics, okay, nothing happens in these days. If
Um.
you want to assess your business, you need to study data. You have to analyze your data. Correct?
Okay.
That is why
Yeah.
you will see those similarities.
Mm.
So, in this course, what happens is, I think towards the end of your course, there'll be a subject called as business statistics.
Okay.
Okay, so all these things here and there will equip you, okay,
Mm-hmm.
to analyze the business, whatever it is. And the
Mm-hmm.
thing, any data that is handed over to you, you will be analyze it. You will be able to analyze it and to give some insights. That is all about data analysis, right? That's how things are
Yeah.
related. There are times
Mm.
when Google cannot give you exact answers, but
Mm.
when we think logically about it, this is how
Mm.
things are related, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Fine. So now coming back to the course, what I am going to tell you. I said I'll share my screen, right? Is it up? Do you already see it?
No, ma'am.
Not yet. Fine. Let me share it again. Please let me know once you see it.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, it's visible.
Okay. Now, first of all, since you asked about business analytics and all that, so these are some terminologies. We'll come to this later when I cover Power BI. But
Okay.
these are some of the reasons why data analytics is so popular these days, right? What is
Yeah.
business intelligence? What is data analysis? These are all similar types of terms with the same meaning. Okay. Synonyms, we know synonyms, right?
Yeah.
Same, different words for the same word, something like that. So what is
Yeah.
business intelligence? It will help us to get insights from the data. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And once you get insights from your data, what happens? You will be able to tell what are the key performance indicators of your business. These key
Okay.
performance indicators will differ based on the type of data or the type
Mm-hmm.
of business that we are handling. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And why do we need business intelligence? It is just in simple words, if I have to tell, it is to make meaning out of raw data.
Okay.
Once you make meaning out of raw data, that is what it means to give insights to the data.
Mhm.
Okay. And some
Yes.
types of data will be financial. Okay. In
Mm.
financial data, what you'll have accounts. In marketing data, what you'll have sales, profit, growth.
Mm.
These will be key performance indicators. Manufacturing domain, you'll have shipped inventory units, etc. Okay.
Mm.
Suppose Amazon data, you'll have products, profits, purchases, etc. Correct?
Mm.
So
Yeah.
all this comes into business intelligence, study of data, study of your business, analysis, right? Then you
Yeah.
will come to data visualization in the analytics world. After analyzing all of this data, what do I need to do? I need to put it somewhere. Okay.
Yeah.
I have
Yeah.
to represent it visually. That is where data visualization comes in, wherein you will
Mm.
represent your data in visuals or charts.
Mm.
What are some of the applications you have? Like we said, financial, marketing, operational, healthcare. It goes on,
Mm.
right? So,
Yeah.
from a course content perspective, this is how it's going to look. First, I'll cover SQL.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is a very basic plan. I'll
Okay.
start with SQL. After SQL is completed, we will go to Microsoft Power BI. Then we will
Okay.
wind it up with Excel. Microsoft
Okay.
Excel, some advanced concepts in Excel.
Okay.
Have you already worked on Excel?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay,
Oh,
then yes, like I said, we'll only cover advanced concepts.
okay.
Okay, and this is the course that I am going to, these are the components that I am going to cover within your course. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Yeah,
uh,
ma'am.
so just to let you know, on weekdays we will have online sessions, Jessica.
Okay, ma'am.
I hope you're okay with that.
Actually, I was looking for offline classes, total offline classes. I've already talked with Anna in academy. He said that
Uh-huh.
he will appoint a trainer,
Yeah.
or he will give me a workspace so that I can come to the academy and attend live classes there.
Yes. So what
Mom,
will happen is, weekdays I will be able to take online.
yeah,
Weekends
yeah.
I'll be taking offline.
Mm-hmm.
However, if you, instead of taking the class from home to avoid any network issues and other issues, you
Yeah.
can go to the institute. Okay,
Okay.
you will have a big screen there. Okay,
Okay.
uh,
Okay.
and then you can join from the institute
Mm-hmm.
itself. You won't
Okay.
feel much of a difference, Jessica, whether it is online or offline. You
Okay,
will see
ma'am.
it when you experience both. Okay,
Yeah.
but I
Yeah,
would
ma'am.
suggest you utilize the premises,
Okay,
take
ma'am.
your classes from there, and
Yeah.
after the class, you will have to practice whatever was taught to you. That's how
Okay,
it
ma'am.
is. So 1 hour daily will be taken from Monday to Saturday.
Okay.
Okay, and
Okay, ma'am.
practice also will be there.
Okay, ma'am.
So,
Like,
any questions on
do you
that?
also like conduct any practical exams or?
We'll have it towards the end of course.
Okay.
So far, I've been taking towards end of course.
Okay.
Okay. But
Okay,
if
ma'am.
any change in that,
Okay.
as in if I feel I will want to take any intermediate courses, any intermediate test as well, I will let you know.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's about it. I hope I didn't miss anything.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Any more information on this? I will ask the coordinator to give you a brief overview once again.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, they will talk to you after this.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine, but from the session perspective, whether offline or online, you will not
Mm-hmm.
feel a difference.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, so it will be a two-way course. You
Okay,
can
ma'am.
stop me anytime you have a question. You
Mm-hmm.
don't have to wait till I complete the course and all. Okay?
Okay.
Because we give
Okay.
individual attention to every student. So you can stop
Okay.
anytime, ask your questions, and then we will move on to the next concepts.
Yeah, ma'am. Sure.
Okay?
Mm.
I didn't give much technical information today because you already have some knowledge.
Yeah,
Okay?
ma'am. Thank you.
Otherwise, I think we are good. I'll
Yeah.
ask the coordinator to talk to you and
Yes.
you can let them know, right?
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
All right. Okay, Jessica, then. Thank
Thank you.
you for your time.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
All right. Thank you then. Yep. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.